Where are we at? No. Alright, well, we're going to Angel's Landing. We are in Zion National Park on the shuttle. Hey, there's Emmy. Alright, this is the start of the journey. Here it is.
Dude, I might just like, I mean, you're obviously the camera guy here.
Yeah.
So I might just have you send those pictures of Zion after.
Alright. Sounds good to me. Keep going.
I'm gonna throw it in the water.
You guys are gonna have some cool photos.
He's like, yeah, it's about a half a mile.
Yeah, you just walk. Did you start the altar?
Run back.
Do your thing.
What are you?
Probably should have faster if you fall.
Oh yeah.
You haven't seen any like goats or anything.
I'm upset too, so.
He was very excited because we went to the hot springs.
Okay, we are on switchback number probably like 2 out of 20. 21. Gotta get all the way up there. Look at them. I'm gonna keep walking, slowly go up. They're taking a break. The view is absolutely phenomenal already. We started this hike about an hour a little too late, around 7. I wanted to start at 6, but we had to take care of some things first. She's lost.
There's not many places you can go.
Oh, the bus, finally. Alright, go on.
Oh.
I'm gonna take a picture of you guys.
Struggling?
Yeah.
They don't need to see our faces.
No. We made it home. Welcome to my crib, guys. Here's the shower system right here. And then the bed. I got 2 guests with me. Yeah, we're just chilling out. We're almost there, man.
Are we?
No. We are in the quiet zone. Apparently there's Mexican spotted owls that live here.
I would not be opposed.
Yeah.
This is Walter's Wiggles.
I think up here is the
Alright. I can't believe I'm on the Walter's Wiggles.
You're the famous Walter.
That is so cool. Thanks. WW.
today.
Yeah, I do, yeah.
I'm still learning with my Sony.
Oh, yeah.
Got an A6100.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah.
I need to learn how to take it into these canyons.
Exactly.
Get the right stuff.
Exactly right. We're at Scouts Landing, right? Or Scouts Lookout? I think that's what the sign says.
Yeah, Scouts Lookout.
Yeah, so finally made it to Scouts Lookout. It's about 0.5 miles to Angel's Landing, the sign said. So I don't know, is this where we're dropping off Austin? Daycare today? And then Emmy and I are heading up there. We'll see. Alright, let's document this.
Let's run.
Yeah, right. Oh, the sun, that's beautiful. It's gonna blind us.
My eyes.
Okay, we just started the end of Angel's Landing. We got, what, half a mile left or so? Is that what it was?
Yep, the worst half mile.
Yep, worst half mile. Let's see if we could even make it to the end. Don't want to push ourselves.
Yeah, you don't want to die.
No, don't want to die.
We saw today.
Maybe like 50 years from now or so. Yeah.
Now I have sunscreen all over my hands and I'm nice and slippery.
Oh no. This is the no chain part. Wow. This is a nice view.
Where is the best, you know?
No, I had no idea.
Is it up this way?
It just says keep going that way. I just, like that, this way, I just don't know, like.
I feel like it looks.
Most people go that way up.
Okay, thank you. We are going to be most people.
Yeah, I'll go with most people.
Yep.
Back to the chain. What about like powder?
For your hands.
Yeah.
This view.
Really good one.
Oh, look at that. Everyone's up there. We got to get up there. Look at this trail. That's insane.
So you're a pro. You can take a picture of it?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Yep. What do you want as the background? That's okay. Perfect. Looking good. I'll do some just this way, just in case.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you
Thank you
very
very
much.
much.
Of course, anytime.
Sometimes I question if I'm scared of heights, but I always love to put myself in these situations.
Oh my.
And I've jumped out of a plane, so I think I'm.
Oh, you've done skydiving?
Yeah, it was real fun. Though, like, terrifying to start.
Yeah.
They're like, we're gonna step out onto the wing of the plane,
Oh gosh.
and then I'm gonna tap you on the shoulder, and you gotta let go. And we're gonna backflip a few times, and then just go into free fall for a minute, which we got a video of.
Yeah.
Horrible, because free fall is like, your face is just like.
Oh, I bet. Did you have sunglasses on or something like that?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
It was full. Or
Yeah.
I had, like, safety goggles.
Yeah, okay. Oh my.
But then the parachute was like really peaceful.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm gonna take a picture right here quick. you want to put your left foot onto that rock, kind of just lean on it. Yeah, just like that. And then just look out. Perfect.
I think Austin's right there.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, right.
Look at that super zoom.
Yeah. Break.
Yeah, I don't want to fall.
Alright, made it to the top. Just switching some lenses, get some wide angle shots. Hopefully those will turn out better. Man, my nose is just sniffly.
Yeah.
The backpack.
Squeaky backpack.
I've been sending pictures every other day to like my parents' group chat, and they're like, "Oh my gosh, that's so awesome!"
And it was a lot more sketchy than you showed up. And Austin and I have been listening to like crime podcasts, so we were getting a little paranoid. He was like, I wasn't paranoid to start, but then Austin was like, "What if they kill us?"
Oh my
I
gosh.
was like, now I'm nervous. We were in a tent, so it's like, it's not like we can lock it.
Yeah, let's get them out.
Getting a few options here. Yeah.